Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. All of you are welcome to NABS Home School. This is Abir Hossain Khan, Assistant Teacher in Mathematics at Day Shift of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take mathematics class for class 1, and our today's topic is odd and even number, and our today's lecture number 3, SW number 3. Look here, here is the SW3. You have to submit the SW on your campus at next Saturday. Now let's go to start our class. Odd and even numbers. Odd and even numbers. First of all, you have to know the even numbers and odd numbers. Okay, if you find 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, if you find 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in ones place, if you find 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in ones place, then the number is called even number. And then if you find 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in ones place, then it is called odd number. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in ones place, then it is called odd number. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in ones place, then it is even number. If I write here 2, 2, 6, look here, 6 is here ones place, so this is even number. If I write here 2, 2, 6, 0, look here, 0 is here ones place, so this is even number. Okay, if I write here 4, 4, 4, look here, 4 is here ones place, so this is also even number. If I write here 9, 9, 6, 6 is here ones place, so this is also even number. If I write here 1, 2, 8, 8 is here ones place, so this is also even number. So in the place of 1, if you find 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, the number is called even number. Okay, now odd number. If you find 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in ones place, if I write here 6, 5, 1, look here, 1 is here ones place, so this is called odd number. If you find here 3 in ones place, that is 123, 123, look here, 3 is here is ones place, so this is also called odd number. If you find here 9, 2, 5, 925, look here, 5 is here ones place, so this is also called odd number. Okay, if you find here 7, 7, 7, 777, 7 is here ones place, so this is also called odd number. If you find here 8, 2, 9, 9 in ones place, so this is also called odd number. So in short, we can say if we find 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 at the place of ones, so then it is called odd number, and 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in ones place, then it is called even number. Okay, now look here, here is a question, find odd and even numbers. Find odd and even numbers. Okay, now write the answer here. Okay, if I write here odd and here is even, You can also write here odd numbers, even numbers. Okay. Now look here. First one is 232. 232. 2 is here ones place. 2 is here ones place. So this is even number. 232 is an even number. Look here, the next one is 151. 1 is here ones place, 5 is here tens place, and 1 is here also hundred place. So 1 is here ones place. So this is odd number, 151. Now the next one, 444. 4 is ones place, 4 is tens place, 4 is hundred place. So look here, 4 is here ones place, so this is even number. So we can write 444 as even numbers. The next one is 337. 7 is ones place, 3 is tens place, 3 is hundred place. So if, look here, here is 7 in ones place, so 337 is an odd number. Now look here, here is 1000, ones place, tens place, hundred place, thousand place. So here 0 is here ones place. So this is an even number. 1000 is an even number. Now the next one is 768. 8 is ones place, 6 is tens place, and 7 is here hundred place. Since 8 is here ones place, so 768 is an even number. 273. 3 is here ones place, 7 is here tens place, and 2 is here hundred place. So 3 is here ones place, so 273 is an odd number. Now the next one, 625. 5 is here ones place, 2 is here tens place, 6 is here hundred place. So since 5 is here ones place, so it will be 625 is an odd number. Now this one, 846. 6 is here ones place, 4 is here tens place, and 8 is here hundred place. Since 6 is here ones place, so it will be 846 is an even number. And the last one is 9, 9 and 9. 9 is here ones place, 9 is here tens place, and 9 is here hundred place. Since 9 is here ones place, so we can say 999 is an odd number. Okay, my dear students, hope you understood how can we find odd and even number. Practice it at your home more and more. See you soon. Take care of yourself. Until then, Allah Hafiz.